So guys, welcome back to our channel. We're back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing the charades, the Jamaican charades. I downloaded this app on my phone called Jamdung. If you haven't heard about it, go download it because it's actually really fun. So what it is just like an app and it's charades. Like, if you don't know what charades is, then something's wrong. But anyways, it has like different topics like this. You just choose one. The person that's guessing is going to place the phone on their head, and then the next person obviously that's given the hints is going to be looking up here. As you get one right, I think you go up, and if it's passed, you go down, if I'm not mistaken. So we're never going to prolong the intro to this video. We're going to jump into this video right now. Do you want to go first or me go first? Or rock, paper, scissors style. Rock, paper, scissors out, because that's what we always do. Best 2 out of 2. We'll keep it simple, quick. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, 1. Rock, paper, scissors. Wow, okay. So I'm guessing, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna choose. Do you want to choose or me choose? Okay, go. Okay. I'm so stupid.
Okay.
Purchase your tracks today.
We're not mixed up in a.
Blem?
No.
What?
We don't mix up in a.
Pasa?
No. Like.
We don't blend?
No.
Clash?
No.
Pass?
Alright. That's it.
Bumper? What is that?
Just.
Ass? Bum?
Alright.
Bumper? Time? Time it? Timeless? Time huge? Time big?
Yeah, that was right.
Pass, man. You suck. Go.
Rope round neck on you.
Hang?
Yeah.
Wow, you made me get 1.
What
was that?
Not cheap.
Bro, you made me get 1.
Big time.
Okay, choose a different one or sticking with that one?
Yeah.
Stick with that one?
Yeah. Big time.
Show them it. It's like when you're making fun of someone.
Purchase your tracks
Yeah,
today.
make fun of someone.
Yeah, like you're
Joke.
repeating everything that they're saying, like you're copying them. You know when you're okay, you know when something joking your foot and it's like sharp? What's it called? And it's like it's on the tree and they always say money.
Maka.
But say it
They
without
mock you.
Yeah.
Mock
Mock, yeah. You put pass, you idiot.
Oh shit, me get the right one.
Pass. Just go down. Yeah, so you get that point for that one. Go, and then go. You know it's like stay there.
Tande.
Yeah. You know when someone like come and they like look at the I just said it.
Look yeah.
No, it was this, but I said it. Go up. You know that little bit with the little boy and he's like So we're doing dance song moves now, guys.
Me don't know this one now.
So pass?
So
Sticky line?
No.
Purchase your tracks today.
One pull out them.
Stripper.
No. Stripper about what they call it in
Strip
Jamaica?
dance?
No.
Go-go?
What?
Go-go dancer.
No.
Go-go dance? Go-go wine?
Yeah.
Go.
Where you go?
Look out. I don't know.
Well, look out that way. Look out that.
Road.
Yeah.
Purchase your
Oh, what was that one? What was it?
Sing away.
Oh my god, what is this?
Really bounce.
What is this? You're not gonna get it. Go down, because that one I never even heard of. It was elbow them.
Shoulder for your fling.
Yeah, I can't even move. Yeah. Can you put pass? What is that? World Series is a dance?
What?
I don't even know how to do that. I don't know how to do that. What is that? To the world. Okay, go down. Up.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, bruh, I've never heard of any of these dances.
Alright.
Flower. Okay, no, I got that one. I can't do because I don't want to hit the...
Elan to.
Yeah. Down.
Shit.
Go down. Push it down. I don't know, back to basics. What's Sesame Street? Oh, is that Sesame Street something like this? What's Shelly Belly? Is it like this?
Shelly Belly.
Yeah.
Shelly Belly.
Okay.
Shelly.
Heel and toe?
Yeah.
I just got that one though.
So come on.
Purchase
I
your
want to
tracks
film.
today.
I'm more gangari. Yeah. What do you? You know what I want to know? Yo.
Break it down. Break it down.
Skip us. Yeah. Me no know one.
Is it next to that
Show
one?
them.
One drop.
Roll your boat.
Yeah.
And she a carry.
Down.
Look out the river.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I forgot how to do this one. Oh, show them. I totally forgot how to do this one. Skip it. I go up. Jerry Springer. I forgot how to do that one. I can't see.
Purchase your tracks today.
What?
I had no space to do it.
Alright, look at myself. Go. Oh yeah.
5-1 forward.
Go.
Oh wait, oh my god, this is, how do you flare it? Oh, I just said it. 90s rock, I don't know. Maypole, what are these? Donna Flunk? Something you're getting all the girl ones.
I know. No, come again. Come and try again. Yo, may I have Megan try again.
Purchase your tracks today.
Call on your ring.
No. Elephant Man, come on. Give up?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Isn't that what it is?
Oh yeah.
Nah. Oh, pass it. Oh my god.
What? What? Oh.
Where you go, you know?
What?
How you do it again?
One job.
Yeah.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, no, pass.
Oh shit.
Pass. I don't remember some of these. How you do flurry again? World Series, I don't know what that is. Jiggy.
Again, the jiggy
I
jiggy.
forgot. How's it go?
I look at the name, it's a sit down funny. Oh my god. Pass. We know him but me can't remember my song now. Hey.
It's like the songs are playing in your head, babe. The words
Yeah,
don't come out.
it can't come out. Fuck, I'm just singing a song today, no? Pass. No, sir. Pass. One more night.
Busy signal.
Alright, go on. Correct. Ray. Never mind.
Spice, the angel.
No.
Vanessa Blaine.
P1. But I'm here is just a Ray. I in slow what's one song was named Sit Down Funny.
Oh, that one? Pampute?
Yeah.
Hey!
Hey, what are them? Ching cham. Holy shit. If you need a lover, call on me.
Jackie.
Or what are
Purchase
them?
your tracks
Okay, I'm gonna come over this side. Banana in a bag.
Banana
Or
chips.
this, yeah. So like I McGee that though.
Yeah.
Favorite food?
Curry chicken.
No, Jamaica. National dish.
selfish.
Yes. Oh man, tell us this man we drinking some coffee and some
Blue Mountain.
coffee and
Crackers.
yeah, what
Tea
kind?
biscuit.
Yeah, crackers, but what kind of crackers? Like
Tough crackers.
yes, but I'm not saying him a water crackers, aka
Purchase
tough
your
crackers.
tracks today.
Seasoning and your chicken and thing,
Maggie.
and in black, and you pour out it like
Soy sauce.
yeah. Lord, that long. I mean, I said back then they used to make. They used to make back then. They didn't call it. And top food, they always say
Sushi?
about no.
Jerk pork.
Way back then, way back
then.
they always talk about.
Yam. What?
See-
Running, dashing, dash,
No,
dashing.
Purchase your tracks today.
they.
Run down. Oh my god.
You see me just say show your motion. Taco. But I don't know what they make make rundown, so I couldn't say. I may say you would know neither. So but me I show you run.
Pass. This is something you're asking me today if I put in the fish, and you love it. You love it.
Okra.
Yes.
Chicken.
Okay, in the nighttime, what's in the sky?
Star, moon,
No. Say
Cloud.
it's the first thing you just said.
star,
Yeah, so something that you, it's like something you eat though.
Purchase your
Star
tracks
bites.
today.
No. It's not a vegetable, it's a... If it's not a vegetable, it's a...
If I'm not vegetable, I'm meat. The blood clot.
If it's not a vegetable, okay, what's the apple?
Fruit,
Yeah, so what's in the sky?
star fruit.
Yeah,
What kind
down.
of fruit then?
I don't know. Actually, it's actually... This is something that you eat with that. You can put pigtail in it, you can put salt beef. They say it's what Thai man.
Stew peas.
Yeah.
You know, auntie.
What the frick? Okay,
Yeah,
it's... What is this?
Jamaican time, man.
What is this? What is this?
Foot bottom toe.
No, yeah, so this is...
Toe. Smell. Your foot smell.
It's thinking too. I don't know what that is.
So no foot smell.
How's that a
thing.
food? What I make downstairs?
Steamed fish.
Yeah. This is something my dad drinks.
Rum.
What kind?
White rum.
Yeah.
And pools my locks.
Yeah.
Alright. Me don't know him. Me don't know him.
Purchase
Oh my
your
God.
tracks today.
Commonly.
Oh shit. Pass.
Who was it?
Tanya Stevens. I can't remember the nurse name. Pass. The hell? Yo, the amount that song I'm not being man. Money if you make. Alright, so can reach and meanwhile the companions stand it.
Purchase
No.
your
No.
tracks today.
Black Rhino?
No.
Wow.
Come again. Come again. Right after this, come again. No. Yo,
I have to look.
Pause.
Da Vinci? Wow.
I
You sang the
can't
wrong
remember.
song. You could have sung
Yeah,
the
I know.
daughter's song.
I don't know. I don't know that professor not sound it. Take a girl man.
Shensia?
Yeah. You see, take a girl man and wow. Pass. My one them are so fucking Gaza Slim. I'm gonna remember that Gaza Slim.
Are you serious?
Purchase your tracks today.
Introducing
That's
Vanessa
Vanessa
Bling
Bling.
as Gaza
Oh
Slim.
shit. Junkin dance.
Well, junk man.
Skip.
Yeah. Yeah.
Skip to my lower.
It's just skipping. It's not dance moves. It's just
Oh,
okay. You know, like this.
drive.
Yeah, but when it rains.
Wiper blade.
Yeah.
Wiper.
Well, windscreen wiper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Purchase your tracks today.
Oh, I can act them out. High grid. Get your
Sell
high
it.
grid. Yeah. Well, selling what?
Weed.
Yeah.
Do it. Kick.
It's a sports.
Kickball. Football.
Yeah. It's when you're building a house and you're like
Shoveling.
but you're like
Mix concrete.
yeah. Whitening.
Police.
Yeah.
5-0.
I'm supposed to be acting it out.
Yeah, you should.
Okay, it's like moo.
Cow milk.
Yeah.
Breast milk. What the fuck?
The first one you said. Cow milk. So guys, that is the end of our video. You know, something.
You should have get more wind up in them. God, may get you.
Why? But you were just whining so good. That's something you're good at. So why should I get them? To show the people of your talent.
No, I can't.
You're like a go self. Oh my god. So guys, that is the end of our video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys download this app. This is not a sponsored video by the way. This is just something that's fun that you can play. It is called Jamdung, like I said before. And we will see you guys in our next video. Maybe we'll do part 2 and you guys will see Ziggy dance up more.